In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a sphere. The first step is to start with two pinch pots that are the same size. They don't have to be exact, but you want them to be as close as possible. Step 2. Score and slip the tops of both of the pinch pots. Remember, this is like glue, and will connect these two pinch pots together. I am scoring with a serrated rib, and instead of using slip, I'm just using water. Step 3. Attach the two pinch pots together by twisting gently. In this case, one of my pinch pots were too big, so if necessary, adjust the width of the pot so that they fit together. You can do this by pinching in with your fingers. Step 4. Use the wooden stick to meld the pots together. This is similar to scoring, but here the goal is to strengthen the seam. Continue to scratch all the way around. Step 5. Attach coil to strengthen seam. Here I'm using a little bit of water, but it's not necessary. Use thumbs and press down onto the seam. This is attaching the coil to give it a little bit of extra clay so that it may prevent separation and potential cracking. Step 6. Smear coil with your fingers or thumbs to blend the coil in with the two pots. Step 7. Use serrated rib to scratch and smooth the surface. This is a technique that we will be using throughout the year. The serrated rib scratches in multiple directions in order to remove the high and low spots. After you have done this throughout the whole surface, you then use the flat side of the serrated rib or just the metal rib and run it across the surface. This creates a smooth texture and is one of the best ways to accomplish this. You may have noticed throughout the video that I constantly used my hands to remold and make sure that the sphere is the proper shape. Step 8. Use the large wooden rib to mold sphere and compress the walls. I use this wooden rib and smack it various places on the sphere in order to get the round shape that I am looking for. This is a good time to take a look at your drawings and see what shape you're going to need for your project. Step 9. Although not shown, this is a good time to use the metal rib to smooth out the texture of the sphere. Step 10. Puncture with a needle tool to prepare for shrinkage. After that, you are all done and ready to add more details.